We're now going to look at the Wiki activity. A wiki is a collaborative effort by several people to many people on creating a web page where everybody lists their expertise or knowledge or input and ideas into one website. So we will select from the Add an Activity drop-down menu the option called Wiki. We'll give our wiki a name. We'll call it Washington, D.C. Memories, and we'll give it a description so the students know what to do. After the wiki description is entered, you can scroll down and see there are a few wiki settings. The first page name, we'll just call that DC Memories. The wiki mode, it is a collaborative wiki, but you have an option to make it individual, so each student could have their own. I'll leave the HTML format and we'll save and display. And as the teacher, the first time you come to the screen, you will have to create the page. And then I can either make an entry, and I will save that. I'll save it first. And it just says, students, please enter your comments here. You may need to enter more instructions in this top box because students will need to know that they have to hit the edit button in order to come into the wiki to make their entries. Something you may want to do as the teacher is to edit the wiki by hitting the update button. And you may need to tell them so we will tell them specifically what they need to do, or if you have them in class, you could just tell them verbally as opposed to having it on here. But any student that's not in class and misses your instructions may need that information. So we'll save and display, and there you're telling them what they're to write about and how they're to get into the wiki. To make an entry, click the Edit tab directly below these comments, and they should see this if they're looking around. They'll click the Edit button and they will be brought to this text editing screen where then they will click below the last comment and make their new comments.